everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you where and how to download the best executor for our game out there right now. Let's get started! First of all, you need to go to the website. Click the Launch Xeno button. Then click the Download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. After running our installer, double-click it and wait for it to open. Once it opens, follow the setup steps and wait for the installation to complete. Then you can launch the game and enjoy playing with our executor. Now, let me show you what it can do.